Happy day 3 of distance learning at Dragon Academy and Intermediate Algebra. This is a dual video, so I will be working through how to access the online MCA calculator. So if you notice on your Dragon Academy or Intermediate Algebra Google Classroom, I posted a link that should stay, I think, to the top with the Minnesota standalone calculator. So if you click that link, it will bring you to a page that looked like this, and you're like, hey, I don't want to take the MCAs, and it's like, hey, you may not have to, we just don't know, we'll just go with the flow and see what happens. But you can still use their online calculator. So if you click the 8th and 11th graphing calculator, and it won't make you log in or anything, so you just click start. There is no questions, just keep clicking start. But once you get in there, you'll see this button to access the calculator. That's the free calculator that you can use from any device. And I'm just going to move this over so it's not on my face. Hey, everybody. So it is always cleared. So we are going to look at how to use our graphing calculator to make a box and whisker plot and get all of that 5-number summary that we've been talking about for this lesson. So we're going to start by hitting the stat key. The stat key is right here. And then we're going to edit. Just like we were putting in our L1 and L2 with 2 data sets, this is just 1 data set. So I'm going to take the time to enter all of these data points underneath L1. They all go in the same one. So this is hours of Netflix spent on spring break. 1, 1.5, 2, 2, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, 4, 4, 7, 8, 10, oops, 10, 10, 12, 15, 16, 17, and 20. So I have all of them entered into my L1, and just like before, we're going to hit the stat button again and go over to calc. So thus far, we have clicked stat edit and stat calc. I'll get that typed on there for you. Put in your data in L1 and then stat calc. We are going to do the 1 var stats. We only have one variable here. We don't have an x and a y, which we would do for linear regression, quadratic regression, any of these. So we're not doing regression, we're doing the statistics on one set of variables. We're going to do number 1. Whoops. Stat calc 1 var stat. All right, so the list, and I just deleted it, but if you do that on accident, we had it in L1, so I can hit second 1 to get that L1 back there. Frequency list, I did not have frequency, I typed them all in, so I'm just going to type they each happen one time, and I'm going to go down to calculate. I think you want to leave that blank. And I'm going to go down to calculate. There we go. So from there we are going to calculate. So from this piece here, we see a ton of information, a ton of statistics, as we say. The first one, the X with a bar on top, this is the average, which we call the mean. The second one is the sum of the X's. So if we added all of our data points together, we would get 140. Then we have the sum of X squared, which makes sense. We'll get into these two pretty soon, but N is the number in our data set. So we had 18 entries. Look at, there's 9 of them in each row here. So we had 18 entries all together. And then as you go down, it gives you, oh my gosh, the min, Q1, median, Q3, and the maximum. There's your 5-number summary. This calculator is so amazing. It does everything for you. You guys, this is the key. Okay, so we have our 5-number summary that are also there. So this is going to be the key to your chapter 11. You've got the min, Q1, median, Q3, max. Now, it does not give you the range, but you can say 20 minus 1. The range is 19. Interquartile range, 12 minus 3.5. Let's see, 12 minus 3 is 9. 9 minus half is 8.5. So you can find that stuff from your 1-bar stats. So, save this video. If you need it, you can get to this calculator from the Google Classroom page. Good luck. I hope you are enjoying. I'm going to put a really short quiz on Google Classroom to make sure that you guys can do this stuff with another data set. Good luck. I miss you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.